In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a 16.9 aspect ratio image on Microsoft Copilot. It's a straightforward process, and I'll walk you through it step by step so you can confidently use this feature whenever you need it. Let's start by opening your preferred web browser. Once you have it open, type Microsoft Copilot into the search bar. This will lead you to the official Copilot site, where you can access or sign up if you haven't already. Once you're on the site, you'll need to log in. You've got some convenient options here, whether you prefer using your Google, Apple, or Microsoft account. Simply choose the one that suits you best and sign in. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main Copilot interface. Now, generating an image is our next step, and it's just as simple as it sounds. Use the text box to enter whatever creative idea you have in mind. This box is where you tell Copilot what kind of image you want. It could be anything from a sunset over the mountains to an abstract art piece. Just type your request as clearly as possible. Copilot will take your description and turn it into a visual image. When the image is fully generated, you'll see it appear on your screen. Now, the default aspect ratio might not be what you're looking for. So to adjust this, simply send another message in the same text box where you initially described your image. What you want to say is, make it 16:9. This will instruct Copilot to adjust the dimensions of your image to match the 16:9 aspect ratio. It's a handy way to ensure your image fits perfectly on widescreen displays, such as computer monitors or televisions. Alternatively, if you have a specific aspect ratio in mind from the start, you can streamline the process. When you're typing your initial request for what image you'd like Copilot to generate, include the aspect ratio in that first prompt. For instance, you could say, I want a landscape image of a serene lake at sunset in a 16.9 aspect ratio. Then, when Copilot generates your image, it will automatically size it according to your specified ratio, saving you the extra step of having to adjust it later. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to get the perfect 16.9 aspect ratio image using Microsoft Copilot. By leveraging the capabilities of Copilot, you can ensure your images are not only creative and unique, but also perfectly sized for your needs. Whether you're creating content for a presentation or just having fun with graphic design, these steps will guide you smoothly through the process. Thanks for watching, and happy creating with Microsoft Copilot.